Every Office app has a ribbon, like this one in Word 2016. Each ribbon has tabs, like Home and Insert. Tabs are organized by groups, like Clipboard, Font, and Paragraph. To expand a menu and see more commands, select this little button. To customize the ribbon, select File, select Options, and then select Customize Ribbon. Commands are on the left side and tabs are on the right. You can see the Home tab groups like Clipboard, Font, and Paragraph. To add a new group, select New Group and name it. You can rename any ribbon, tab, or group. To add a command, select its name and then select Add. To see all the commands, including those not on the ribbon, select Choose Commands From, and then select All Commands or Commands Not in the Ribbon. You can add a command to multiple places if you want. To delete a group or command, select it, and then select Remove. Move a command, group, or tab in the same way. Select it and use the arrow keys. For example, move this group to the top of the Home tab so it will appear on the far left. To go back to the original ribbon, or to fix a mistake, select Reset. When you're done, select OK.